Alright, what is up everybody? Today I'm going to be installing a JDM hazard button on my 2007 Honda Civic Si FG2. Got the Crocs with socks on. Alright guys, got my tools here. Pretty sure all I'm going to need to do this is literally just a Phillips head screwdriver. I believe there are 2 Phillips heads under here, if I'm correct. And then the hazard button itself, I believe there's 2 Phillips heads that hold that on. So obviously we're gonna start with taking off this section here. I gotta take off this whole front piece. And before we get started, here's the hazard button right here. So I'm very excited to install this. Like, I feel like a butt right now because somebody sent me that and I can't even remember who sent me that. I'm just horrible with memory. So I want to give a huge shout out for the subscriber who sent me over that JDM hazard button, and I can't wait to see how it looks after I'm done installing it. Also, before I get started, make sure you guys are liking this video. This good old kit from Harbor Freight here. It's just a couple pry tools. Okay. So I'm taking this piece off right here. There's a knob you need to twist. I don't really want to make too much of a crazy do-it-yourself, but there's a handle you need to twist, and you're gonna carefully just pry right here in the corners. Looks to me like we need to take out this Phillips head right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. All right, now that that Phillips head is off, should be able to pry. There we go, it's coming up. Just gently pry right around this whole thing, guys. So I had to take this piece off here. This is that turn knob I'm talking about right here, that thing. There's a screw right up under here. Ended up prying that piece off. There we go. This piece is almost off. Before you go taking this thing off, there's two connectors back here. Make sure you guys unplug these. One's for your mirrors, and I think the other's the VCA switch. So I'm just casually, I got one off. I'm tinkering with the other one right now. You have right here these two. So you have this blue one here, and then this white one that I just took out. Actually, there's 3. There's another one up top. There's one right in the middle there. That one. Okay, there we go, guys. Whew, this is off. I should get a carbon fiber piece. All right, there you have it, guys. We got one section off. All right, guys. I found this little cover here. Shout out to another YouTuber. Kind of saved my butt right here. Okay, that makes sense, guys. That's where the 8mm are, guys. Sucks. We're losing daylight. Literally, look at this. Literally 4:30. And freaking losing daylight. So I'm gonna keep chugging along here. I gotta see if I have an 8mm in the back. I had to break the good old LED out. Good news is I found, let's see, you guys can see that. So I found one of my 8mm. Bad news is I don't think it's long enough to fit up there, dude. That's tight. All right, grab this out. Nice, that's convenient. Thing just snapped off in there. Great. Ah. Look at that dope sunset right now, guys. Anyways, I got it out because I'm a beast. I got lucky. Let's get this set up here. Oh man, it's cold. Dude, these are a pain. I'm leaving these out. When I take these out, I ain't putting these back in. Show you a little trick. We're using the good old camera trick. You could see it's got a Phillips head, 8mm right there. And then the other one is, oh, that's really hard to see. The other one's right there in the corner. Thank God, guys. I found my other extension. I was gonna go crazy, man. I almost like started throwing stuff around. All right, this is what they look like right here. Apologize, you can't see nothing, but oh my God, there we go. Finally. All right. So this piece is basically out. Okay. What else am I stuck on now? Nope, there we go. Okay, that's off. Everything's out, it's free. Careful with this piece here. All right, so I'm just kind of gonna casually let this hang here. All right, guys, I was actually able to get it out more, but you could see, it's very hard to see, but so here's the hazard switch right in front of me. You got the Phillips up top, and then there is a Phillips right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I got this resting right here, guys. So all I had to do was unplug two things, and that's the hazard switch and I believe my vent control.
One screws out.
And would you look at that, guys? The hazard button is officially out, the OEM one. So here it is, guys. Here's the old one, super cheap. And where's this new one here? Hopefully this thing works, guys. Not jinx myself here, but here's the new one. Get this new one in here, guys. Before you guys put everything back together, make sure you test the switch. So you plug in the connector here, and you could see that we have hazards right now. See that? That is the most satisfying sound, guys. Yes, sir. All right, no damage to the dash. You guys could see, looks perfect. And the final product is officially installed. All right, guys, we are done with the install. Let's see how everything looks. Ready? Oh! I am beyond stoked right now. This install came out sick. Be sure to give me a like, drop your comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. More interior mods coming for the FG2. I'll see you soon. Peace out, and remember, never stop wrenching. Dude, that looks so good.